Hi, in this video, I'll explain the difference between accessing the Academy as an administrator and as a learner. Administrators use a separate universal login link, which looks like this. After opening the link, the administrator enters their email and password and is taken then directly to the Academy. Once logged in, the navigation menu appears on the left side. From here, administrators can manage and customize the Academy according to their permissions, as well as the courses pages to create and edit courses, folders, and learning paths. To view the Academy from a learner's perspective, click on the icon in the top right corner. This is what the learner login page looks like. It is the Academy landing page, which you can customize in your Academy settings. To provide learners with access to the Academy, make sure to use and share this specific link with your users. I hope that helped. Good luck with your Academy.